It's another sunny day in the town of Everyday. Mya Go is helping Grandpa Go in the garden.
All plants need to grow big and strong is food from the soil, sun...
And they need lots of water, don't they, Grandpa?
Yes, and a good song now and then. Bum, 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 bum.
I didn't know flowers need music to grow.
Well, I like to sing to my flowers, don't I, gang? La, 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
I'll just close this window. It's a bit, breezy.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Ha ha! A standing ovation. Oh, flowers, you are too kind. We have a very important job to do today, Mya.
Grandpa, why are we whispering?
Today, we are going to plant some cabbage plants in my vegetable patch for Grandma's birthday. But it's a top-secret surprise.
Cabbage? As a birthday present? That will be a surprise.
Grandma loves homegrown cabbage. It's her favourite. I'm going to plant these cabbage plants with my other veggies right over... Oh, my. I think we have some hungry visitors.
Snails! They have eaten all your vegetables, Grandpa.
Yeah. I think they were very hungry.
We can't plant Grandma's birthday cabbage here. Those greedy snails will eat it all.
Shoo! Shoo! Off you go now. On your way. Toodaloo.
Shoo! Shoo!